Ugh, I annoyingly forgot to put sunglasses with all these outfits, but I would wear sunglasses with all these outfits pretty much, because if you're in the sun, don't know about you, but I can't see a thing. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Shalina and I previously worked in fashion buying. I have since started this channel as a way to carry on my love of fashion. So if you love fashion just as much as I do, then please do subscribe. I would love to have you here. In today's video, I have pulled out 14 pieces from my wardrobe that you can see behind me. I've done 12 clothing pieces and 2 footwear pieces. Accessories are just on the side. They won't be too much in the way of accessories. This is more of a, definitely more of a neutral wardrobe edition, I would say. These are actually items that I would take and wear on holiday, and as always for me, I've done it with comfort in mind. I do always like to be comfortable. I've also done it with more of a casual holiday in mind rather than a going on holiday with my girlfriends, getting dressed up for dinner and drinks. So this is definitely more on the casual, neutral side. Let's get stuck straight into it. Okay, so let's run through the tops. The first one I've got is this waistcoat from Zara. Then I have this cropped co-ord from H&M. I'll show you the shorts shortly. This is linen. Then I have a cotton sateen striped shirt. This one is current stock from H&M and it is also a co-ord. It comes with shorts. Then I just have a white ribbed vest top and then a ribbed crop top in black. And finally, just a long line, well, long line on me because I'm 5'3", linen shirt from Zara. Okay, so bottoms wise, I have got 4 bottoms. I have got these linen straight leg trousers from H&M. I've got the matching co-ord shorts in the cotton sateen in the stripe. Those are from H&M as well. The theme going on. Linen shorts from H&M. Again, this is the co-ord one that matches the crop shirt I showed you. And finally, can't go wrong with some denim shorts, and I've got these in blue. Then I've just picked out 2 dresses, and in the summer, a bit more limited with what you can do with dresses. You kind of just chuck a dress on and that's it. But I have gone for like a satin maxi dress. This is just if you're on holiday and you were going out for a bit more of a dinner or drinks or something like that, then I find these quite easy to just throw on. Don't need to do much in the way of styling. That one is from Uniqlo, by the way. It was in the sale. I got it a while ago, so I will try and link an alternative. And then I've just got a t-shirt dress from H&M as well. Again, an old one, but they do similar ones every single year. And I quite like the fact that these shoulders are a bit more exaggerated when it's on. And then for footwear, I kept it really simple. I've got these strappy sandals from Stradivarius. I did get them on ASOS, but I'll check and see if they're still on there. And then I've just got some really simple flip-flops from Accessorize. They're just EVA flip-flops. Obviously, if you want to look a bit more elevated, then definitely go for like a leather flip-flop or something like that. But you know what? I always take these on holiday thinking I'm just going to wear them in the place that I'm staying, but I end up wearing them absolutely everywhere because they're just so comfortable to wear. I think if you do want to wear flip-flops, then get ones that have slightly more detail on them. This one's got a slight, like almost tortoiseshell pattern on it. So it just looks a little bit more elevated than like a simple black EVA flip-flop. For me, these are just the one. I can wear them like all day long. They're just so comfortable. So if you're going to be walking a lot, I think on holiday these are great. If you're going to the beach, it's great. You can wear them indoors where you're staying. If like, I don't know about you, but I always have to wear slippers or flip-flops or something on my feet. I don't really like walking around bare feet all the time. So these are just perfect for me. But if you, again, do like something more elevated, then switch it out for something else. Okay, now that we've seen all the items, let's see how many outfits we can make. Okay guys, that brings us to the end of the video. I will put the amount of outfits I managed to create on the screen as I lost track during filming. But thank you for watching, and I hope this inspired you to maybe pack a little bit less when you're going away. I think we definitely all are guilty of overpacking when we go away, but I hope this has illustrated just how you can get multiple outfits into one small carry-on, and I think you'd agree that it just feels so much easier and lighter when we just have less with us. So I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, take care. See you later. Bye.